Oh hail Excalibur potato. This time made in a potato salad with chicken and truffle. First, peel your potatoes. Chop into 2-bite pieces. Place in a saucepan, cover with cold water, place on the stove. In the meantime, prepare your bacon. I started with 2 rashers, but you'll see I go to 3. Chop the bacon. I like it in slightly longer strips. There's the third piece of bacon. One onion, chopped finely. I leave the root on to help keep it intact while you chop it. This method of chopping takes practice, but it is worth it. Otherwise, chop how you normally would. Discard the root ends. Have your bacon cooking, and there's the potatoes. Once your bacon is crisp, you can add the onion. Prepare your spring onions. If your spring onions are thick, cut them in half. Chop them finely. Keep the spring onions aside for later. With low heat, add your drained potatoes. Your potatoes want to be just cooked. They will continue cooking a little bit here, and you're getting all that lovely bacon flavour through the potatoes. Heat off, make a space in the pan. Add your mayonnaise, the Dijon mustard, and the truffle mustard. Mix this as best you can. You can do this in a bowl separately, but I find that the heat of the pan helps to soften the mayonnaise. And then add sour cream to round out the flavours. Fold everything together gently. Here I have picked barbecue chicken. Next time I think I'd try poached drumsticks. Add your spring onions and fold over gently. You don't want to break the potatoes. I like this cold, so I put it in a storage container for the fridge. Give it another stir if you need to. and you've got a toast. Once cold, put the lid on and put it in the fridge.